Hey everybody, here in Chino, California. Check it out, man. It's windy out here. I'll just walk around, let you see the plant. This building, when I gotta walk around it, seems like a mile long, man. If I gotta find somebody that's at the opposite side of the building, it could take up to 5 minutes. But hey, it's coming together. Got construction crew and everything going on inside, setting up all the machines, all the crane systems. It's pretty darn windy out here. I'm gonna stop for a second. But it is a desert. It's riverside. So before there was people, there was tumbleweed and cactus, I think.